There's just something about being in a community where you're the only high school. You have a sense of pride because you represent not only your school, but your city.
Before was proud, often despite. There's not gonna be any of those buts. Our school is awesome. Our community is awesome, period.
When they walk in here, they'll see that this is a beautiful building. This is a building that is intentional and shows respect for them as learners.
They've always told us that we're going to get a new school, but I honestly didn't think that I would get it. While I was still going to school, I thought maybe my siblings would get it.
A lot of people have put in their life's work, their energy, everything they have to make this happen.
I'm very excited to see the kids' reactions when they walk in on Monday.
Today, I'm proud to introduce you to the new Westminster Secondary School.
First impressions, everything is brand new, it's more spacious, it's more welcoming. I said it from the moment I walked in. It feels like a college campus, it feels modern.
Welcome to your new theater.
My favorite thing that I've seen so far is the theater, which just is really exciting because it's very rare that you get to work with the state-of-the-art stuff.
The stage platform is the same size as Massey Theatre Stage. I think it's really, really exciting. We have the theater, we have a black box drama space, 2 music rooms. We have a beautiful dance studio.
It really makes me feel like I want to dance because there's so much space.
All of the spaces in the performing arts have very high ceilings, which means that you have this expansive idea of what's possible.
This new school is a lot more open. It's got spaces where we can spill out of classrooms and come together to do bigger things.
We really wanted to make learning visible. And so effectively what we've done in the building is remove the classroom walls.
We're in glass. The feeling of being in the classroom will be different.
It just feels collaborative. There's these beautiful windows everywhere you look. You're not locked away in a dark room, and you got a cement floor which will last the length of the building. To me, that is just, it's respect for the environment. It's just so exciting.
On the first floor, we have our engineering lab, we have our robotics and tech lab, metalwork shop, woodworking, our plumbing.
All of these programs have beautiful spaces. They're bigger, they're brighter.
When I stepped in here, I saw 5 times the amount of machines, 5 times the amount of space, 5 times the amount of materials. Now it's all in one long space.
The fact that it's on the first floor of the building, that says this is what we value.
I felt like the work that the kids do here was really honored in the spaces that were created.
It's a big upgrade, that's for sure.
Everything's brand new, everything's state-of-the-art. We have a huge gym.
We have the ability to split it 3, sometimes 4 ways. I'm biased to athletics a little bit, but I think this is something pretty special.
Cafeteria is now known as the servery. I mean, it is just an absolutely gorgeous kitchen. It's an opportunity for the students to learn how to work in the food services.
I'm definitely excited about the new space in this school.
It's not just about academics, it's about all the specialty programs.
We have 2 neighborhood learning centers.
We have a wellness center in which our community is going to bring in different programs. We have a welcome center in which our new registrations, when they come, all this is housed in this building. That brings the community directly into the school. Instead of our students having to go out to the community to find these resources, they are now housed within.
The new secondary school does an amazing job of supporting diversity and inclusion throughout. We've created inclusive education spaces within each of our learning neighborhoods.
The hallways are wide, the classrooms are large, there's lots of light.
In this theater, you can actually bring a wheelchair out on that grid, so I feel like the accessibility is really exciting.
The space that is currently called the Friendship Center is located in the heart of the brand new school, and it was designed for Indigenous students and families to come and gather. I really do think they truly value and respect having this space.
It's a new home. It's going to give them excitement, confidence, a sense of belonging.
We're providing services that go beyond K-12 education, and that will be really an exciting part of the vision behind the secondary school.
For me, when I walked in this building, I just saw a blank canvas. It reminds me of a place where you can make an imprint or an impression.
We've given them such a beautiful opportunity because it really is a beautiful building.
Welcome to your new home that is going to get you excited about learning. Welcome to your new home that you can be proud of. This place is stellar. Welcome home.